What is the best way for the country to open up again?
The best way for the country to open up is to have a strong recovery policy by the government. Reinforcing health services and putting in place extremely focused stimulus measures to assist restart growth are among the policies to rebuild both in the short and long term. This involves measures to sustain the private sector and deliver money directly to individuals so that once the pandemic has gone we may see a faster return to company development. Countries should aim to sustain economic activity throughout the mitigation phase with targeted support to give liquidity to individuals, businesses and government vital services. Simultaneously, authorities must be watchful in order to avoid possible financial shocks. Workplaces should clean more frequently or choose to disinfect in addition to cleaning in shared spaces if certain conditions apply that can increase the risk of infection from touching surfaces. The people should also continue to maintain behaviors to reduce spread of virus. Vaccination is essential for all people like restaurants, bars and offices may implement several strategies that reduce the spread of COVID-19 among employees. The few strategies include staying home when appropriate and educate employees about when they should stay home and when they can return to work. Actively encourage employees who are sick or have recently had a close contact with a person with COVID-19 to stay home. Develop policies that encourage sick employees to stay at home, for example sick leave without fear of reprisal, and ensure employees are aware of these policies. Moreover, set a mandatory requirement that requires frequent employee hand washing, and offices should also ensure adequate supplies to support healthy hygiene supplies. Finally, always follow standard practices and appropriate regulations specific to your facility for minimum standards for cleaning and disinfection in case if all adhere to these steps so the COVID-19 pandemic will not be back again.